Gonna be a skeleton. Skeleton.
I don't like to.
Skeleton.
I don't like to say skeleton.
What's that?
Ring.
A ring? It's so
Beautiful.
What is that?
Beautiful.
Beautiful and shy?
Shiny.
Shiny daw. Okay. Sis, ang kuko sa imong inahan, oh. Okay, will you marry me? So, you heard it, guys. Nakapag-book na tayo. Good afternoon, everyone. Hello. Say hello, Sophie. Happy Friday. Welcome back to our channel.
Come back to channel.
Ayan guys, so it is Friday afternoon. So nandito kaming lahat sa bahay. And ito siya, lalabas na naman sila ng tatay niya. Kasi lunch break. Today is much better than the last few days. Okay, sad siya kanina. Daddy, she thought you left her.
Did you think that Daddy left you? Did you cry?
I was crying out.
Yeah, she was cooking.
Crying, dank, my baby.
She
Hey,
was
look at me.
cooking.
Kiss. I'll never leave you.
Oh my gosh. How about me, Daddy?
I'll never leave you too, Mum. Would you leave me, Mummy?
No.
That's right, because Paris would come with me.
That's right. You get something to eat?
Mommy, want chippies, please?
What is it, Anna?
I will bring chippies.
Oh, you'll bring chippies for Mommy?
Yeah.
Thank you. That's so kind of you.
Mommy,
we bought
chippies.
No, we bought chippies for Mummy the other day. And Mummy didn't eat them.
Get me something else. Something else, Anna. Tingnan niyo, hapon na, nakaganito pa rin. Work from home.
Yeah.
Alright. You drink water too? I'll get your water bottle, ha?
Yeah.
Hang on. Wait a little bit, Bob. I'm just gonna get the water
But
bottle.
quick, because there's only two of us here today.
Here you go. Show Mommy you drink some. Good girl. You hold it properly, okay? Don't lose it. Give Mommy a kiss. Love you.
I love you.
Be, I love you.
I love you. Kayu.
I love you, Kayu. Ko isip ko ano
Bobby,
lang
I'm
siya
not
lang.
expecting a parcel today. You get here.
As if I'm going anywhere, Bob.
Just make sure. Are you very excited to get a car?
Bye-bye.
Excited to get a car?
Yes, very excited.
I've got next week off. I could have got it for us.
Okay, Daddy, you go.
You come. Like, we should have gone together, like,
No, it's alright. It's not a day, Bob. So at least like we have the whole day to enjoy it. Yan na, lumayas na ang dalawa. Did you check the mailbox, Bob? Ayan, lakad-lakad na naman. So excited na rin yun si Daddy Mike, guys, kasi nakatanggap siya na tawag kaninang umaga. Diba nasabi ko sa inyo na yung new car natin ay nandito na sa Melbourne. And then, today kasi nag-ease na yung restrictions ng aming lockdown. So, still, lockdown pa rin guys kasi 25 kilometers. Dapat 25 kilometers lang yung pwedeng biyahin. What's going on?
mask.
Oh.
Wait, Paris.
Bumalik kasi kailangan ng mask. Silly Daddy na? He didn't bring the mask? What is it? You want the Diana mask?
Yeah.
You'll see at the shop. See if you can find it.
There's a lot of toys in the shop.
Lots of toys, I know that. I know that.
Oh, there's a birdie. It's a little birdie.
There's a little birdie.
There's a baby one.
How many? How many?
I want this 4, like that one.
That's 5.
I'll 5.
4 is that one. See?
I want this.
4.
I want a lot.
I want you a lot.
See, Mama, do a mouse.
I don't need a mask because I'm staying at home. No.
But my car first.
Yeah, just use the mask on the hallway, bub. The one in the basket. Akno?
I'm trying to see Tito and Tita there.
Yeah. They're very noisy next door, guys, no? Because they're doing some renovation.
Loud.
I know, right?
I just cover like that.
Yeah, cover. Yeah. Nandyan sila, since mga 8 or 7:30 ng umaga, start na yan sila. Oh my God. Sobrang maingay, anak, no? It's okay na, anak.
Yeah, Mama. Yeah, Mommy.
It's okay.
Oh, it's not loud.
Yeah. Okay, bye-bye.
I'm just too cold.
Daddy, put the blanket. She's cold, she said. Dada! Mask pa more. Ayan, kailangan kasing yun na, nag-ease yung restriction, pero mask pa rin. So, yung pwede naming biyahiin ay within 25 kilometers. And, sinabi nila na pwede na naming pick upin yung sasakyan by Wednesday next week. Pero, may work sa namin yun. Si Daddy Mike may off, pero may work ako. So, sabi ko, weekend na lang. Sa Saturday. Next Saturday na lang natin pick upin. Super excited.
A few moments later.
Ayan guys, kakakain ko lang ng lunch. Yung kinain ko is yung naiwan from last night. Di ba nagluto si Daddy Mike ng beef? Tapos may naiwan kagabi. Kaya yun yung kinain ko. And then, andito na naman tayo sa harapan ng ating computer. Work, work, work as always. But magsa-stop muna ako guys kasi gusto kong tawagan yung place kung saan magpapa 5D scan tayo ng ating baby Celine. Kasi si Daddy Mike ay hindi na makapaghintay talaga. Sobrang tagal na niya nga akong tinanong kung kailan daw kami 5D scan for baby Celine. Kasi when I was pregnant with Paris, 31 weeks ako noon, we did 4D lang yata yun. Yeah, 3 years ago, 4D lang yata yun. This time, the place that we went to when I was 10 weeks, nung pina-check ko kasi nag-worry lang ako kung okay si baby Celine noon. They have 5D now. So, try natin silang tawagan if we can make an appointment for tomorrow. Kasi, bukas Sabado, walang pasok. And, yun na nga. We'll just check if they have available spot for tomorrow.
Image, good afternoon.
Oh, hi, good afternoon. My name is Jovey. How are you?
Yeah, good, thanks. Nice to meet you.
I'm just wondering if you have a spot for tomorrow for a 5D scan.
I do. I don't have a lot left though. It's a long weekend and it's really booked. So let me just have a look. Have you been here before?
Yes, I have.
Alright. So tomorrow I could do 9 o'clock.
Is that all that you have available for tomorrow?
That's all I've got for tomorrow. I could do Sunday.
Okay. 9 9 o'clock. We should be able to. Sorry, I was just thinking about sleeping in. That's all.
I'm sorry.
No, that's...
People have been booking these for weeks already because of the long weekend.
Yeah, true. No worries. Yeah, can we do the 9 o'clock for tomorrow, please?
Okay. Well, we'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, perfect. I'll see you tomorrow at 9 o'clock.
Thanks, sweetie.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.
So, you heard it, guys. Nakapag-book na tayo for tomorrow. And they only have one spot, which is 9 o'clock in the morning. Sabi ko may plano ako mag-sleep in bukas, but if they only have one spot, then I'll just take that one. So, it means maaga tayong gigising, we'll get ready, and then we'll go there. So, sabi din niya, gusto daw niyang mag-wiggle-wiggle ang ating baby Celine when we get there. But then, I mentioned to you already kung gaano ang tawag dito, movable ang ating baby Celine. So, even now, while we're talking, my tummy is like waves, guys. Ganun, no? So, she moves a lot already. But then, you know, not all babies are like that. That's why sinasabi niya na before you leave home, drink Coke na nakalagay sa fridge overnight para pagdating doon ay mag-move talaga ang ating baby at makita talaga natin ang gusto nating makita. I'm very, very excited for tomorrow kasi it's 5D. It means like it's, you know, high definition talaga. Makikita natin kung ano na yung mukha ng ating baby girl bukas. If she's going to look like mommy or she's going to look like daddy, or will she look exactly the same as Paris? You know, we'll figure out tomorrow. We'll find out tomorrow. I think like 31 weeks, perfect time siya kasi parang medyo malaki na talaga yung baby sa loob. Makikita na talaga natin yung mga features niya, kanyang ilong, yung bibig, and everything. So, of course, dadalhin namin kayo bukas, guys. Stay tuned for that one. Nakauwi na sila, guys. Tanungan nyo, nakabit-bit na ng maraming laruan na naman, oh. Should it done to your choice? Oh, Daddy, I already booked the scan tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.
9 o'clock.
What time?
9 o'clock in the morning.
Good luck, but you can get it up.
Ito yung binili ni Daddy Mike for me, guys. Oh. Banh mi. Pork roll. Pork roll. Show Tita, Tito na. Your toy. See, this is my toy. Show in the camera. This is my toy.
Is it?
Yeah. So this is my toy.
This is my toy.
Show Spider-Man too. Turn it on.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! Malapit nang mag 7 o'clock. Ngayon lang tayo nakapag-vlog ulit. Hello, tita! Tito! Ang ating baby girl pala ay nakapag-nap kaninang hapon at kakagising na niya. Kung naririnig niyo, naglalaro sila ng tatay niya sa lunchroom. I'm just making this one for her, guys. Oh. So, this is originally apple juice. Ayan. Nagtaka kayo bakit naging ganyan ang color. Ayan. Kasi nilagyan ko ng prune juice. I noticed kasi na ang ating baby girl ay pushing hard again. So, she's starting to get constipated again. Yang batang yan kasi is very fussy pagdating sa food. Vegetables na ganyan, yung may mga fibers. Wala sa katawan niya. Kaya, yan. Every now and then, nagko-constipate. So, ito yung ipapainom natin sa kanya. Kasi very helpful talaga yung prune juice. Proven and tested talaga yan kay Baby Paris. Pag nakainom siya niyan, I think pagka umaga, Ay naku, alam nyo na kung ano i-expect. Si Daddy Mike pala gusto niyang lumabas kasi nga starting today, di ba? Open na yung retail. Pwede na kami makapagbiyahe ng 25 kilometers. But then, alam kong nababagot na siya, guys. Like, seriously, it's been 2 weeks, right? Na wala kaming parang lakad-lakad talaga kasi nag-lockdown kami. And the restrictions just eased today. Kaya yun, sabi niya, gusto niya talagang pumunta ng baby bunting. So, baby bunting is this place kung saan nabibili yung mga gamit ni baby. Kasi kailangan nga namin ng pram and baby seats, car seats ba. So, gustong-gusto niya talaga. Tapos, sabi ko kanina, can you wait until tomorrow? Kasi alam niyo naman, guys, like, it was already 6 o'clock na kasi nag-work kami, diba? 6 o'clock na, tapos 9 o'clock mag-close yung shop. Sabi ko, alam mo, sobrang, ano yung oras? Very short yung oras kasi 6, tapos si Paris nagna-nap. And then we still have to get ready, and then we still have to drive there. Pagdating dun, anong oras na? So, ilang, na lang, mga couple of hours na lang, tapos uuwi na rin. And you know what, guys? Now that I'm pregnant, like, I'm seriously tired all the time. Ayokong pumunta kahit saan-saan. As much as possible, gusto kong magstay sa bahay, mag-rest. Kasi, everything is hurting. Kaya sabi ko kay Danny Mike, bukas na lang. Kasi bukas naman, meron naman tayong lakad, diba? Kasi nga, diba, pupunta tayo sa 5D scan ni Baby Celine bukas. Ayan, tignan you guys, oh. My Lord. Ayan, super excited for tomorrow. Kaya yun, sabi ko bukas na lang kasi malakad naman tayo. Kaya sabi niya, okay. Ngayon, magluluto na lang tayo ng kanin, guys. I can't be bothered. Oh my God. So, yung gagawin natin for dinner, guys, since meron tayo nito, para easy na lang. So, meron tayong buttered chicken. Says, serves 2. Ayan, so kailangan na lang siyang initin. I'll just cook rice, tapos ito, and then dinner is sorted, diba? Easy lang. How many did you get?
Daddy one.
Ayan pa ang ating tutupiin.
Daddy one.
Ayan, sobrang dami pang tutupiin. Heater is on, really high.
You wanna try again? I beat her by double.
Did you eat that?
No, I did. I won. 10 to 5.
How many did you get, Paris?
5. Just 5. Okay.
Tingnan nyo ang batang makulit. Put it back, Nak, in your head. Where did you get that from?
Movie world.
Movie world. Andito kami sa kwarto, guys. Ayan, naka-on ang ating lights and oh. Kasi naglalaro ang ating baby girl at nag-pushing-pushing na. Ah, God. See, nailabas na naman ang kanyang mga laruan. Tingnan nyo. Dito. So, kahit dito sa room makalat, okay lang. Kasi doon sa labas, sobrang kalat talaga. Tingnan, guys. Dito, at least walang makakakita.
Mama,
Yes,
there's
anak.
no skeleton here.
There's Catalan.
No.
I'm trying to sort out my
Mama.
clothes, guys. O, kasi magpapadala nga ako ng box sa Pilipinas. Hala. Oh
Mama.
my goodness. Oh my Lord. Yes, anak.
How are you? Inside, there's more skeleton.
That's a bike that Tita Honey gave you. You haven't even
There's Mama.
assembled it yet, Nak. Maybe we have to wait until we move.
It's not skeleton here.
There's no skeleton here, Nak. Gonna be a skeleton.
Huh?
Skeleton.
Hey, I don't like to.
Skeleton.
I don't like to say skeleton.
Dito, ang kanyang bahay-bahayan na yan. Tapos, I'm just showing Tita and Tito your house.
Mama.
It's so cute. Yes.
Oh, Mama, frozen guitar.
What would you like to do?
My frozen guitar.
Your frozen guitar?
Yeah.
Ay, yung bata ate. Yan na sa nagpagawas. Habo na po ni karon din nak. Okay.
You can put the battery on.
So, hindi na kami bibili ng malaruan ni Baby Celine kasi nandito na lahat. 3 ganito, punong-puno. Kung pwede nga lang maipadala to sa Pinas, guys. Kaya nga lang, mga parts na lang. Tapos, mga malalaki yung iba. It would just take space ba? Yes, anak.
Can we see this batteries?
Batteries. You need the screw, man. Oh. Saba kayo na kay. Anak, this is very saba. You know that what saba is? Noisy. Very noisy balasi. Noisy balasi. Oh no.
Let's go. Let's go get the screw to make.
Get a screw. Go find the screw. Go. Find the screw. Come back, ha? What have you got in there, anak? What's that?
Ring.
A ring?
Let me be.
What did you say? Sabi niya kanina, guys. It's so
Beautiful.
what is that?
Beautiful.
Beautiful and
Shiny.
shiny daw. Okay. This is ang kuko sa imong inahan, oh. Okay, will you marry me? Wait, do it properly, nak.
Here.
Hello.
Here, Mom.
Thank you, sweetie. Wait, do it properly, nak. Push it through. Okay, again. Push it more. More. Thank you, honey. Hala, mura man taranig si... si Darna. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you like my ring? Why do you like it?
Where you buy from?
I got it from the shop.
Ma,
Do you like it? Tell me something if you like it.
Yeah.
Yeah?
They were just getting a purple one.
Sing now.
Mama,
Yes.
Dad is getting a purple.
Yeah, Daddy's having the purple one. What are you having now?
Ice.
Ice.
Mama, I don't like
Ito
green.
yung ginawa namin kanina.
Mama, I don't like green. I want pink.
Okay. Tomorrow, okay? Ayan. So, nakabihis na yan siya, guys. Yeah.
I want to make strawberry ice cream.
Okay. Next time, okay? Nakahilamos na. Ayan. Nakatoothbrush na. Pero ayan.
Mama.
Kain na naman.
I want to make slime.
Okay. Tomorrow, honey, okay? Just do a quick shout out now. First shout out goes to Lee from Vlogs, Noralina Sabiano. Pasensyahan nyo na ang aking boses, guys, ha? Kasi meron akong ubo.
Mama, Sammy outside.
Hannah Sarumines, Novero Yoli, Mercy Narito, Digna Villavicencio, Rona May Gabrilio, Ria Sitcharon, Cherry May Ongayo, Nanita Del Rosario, Fe Guarnes, Jane Marcado Bautista. Hello, Moms. Ayan. Shout out na kita, Moms. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it.
They stand up with this.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up, Daddy.
I want this.
And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
Hey, bye-bye.
bye.
Daddy, can we go there?
Yeah. Hit the screen.